Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change Shopify Add to Cart button color. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to myshopify.com. Once you are now here in the left corner, select Online Store. Under Online Store, select Themes. Look for your current theme, then select Customize. Wait for the website to finish loading this time. Once you are now here, use the search bar on the upper corner. Under Products, select Default Product. In here, select the Add to Cart. On the left corner, select Product Information. Then, select the paintbrush this time. Under Theme Settings, select Buttons. If it's not here, we're going to be looking for the proper option. Here you can change the opacity and everything else. Change it the way you want it to be. Under Theme Settings, select Colors. On Primary Colors, select Solid Button Label. In here, you can change the colors by selecting on the three penny-looking icons on the right corner. In here, you can choose and change the colors depending to your preference. Select the three dots, then select Select Color. Select the color that you want it to be. Once you are now satisfied, select Save on the upper right. And as you can see here, the Buy It Now button is now changing colors. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.